Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Steph, and today we are going to be trying the Makeup by Tammi Cosmetics Chasing Butterflies palette for the first time. And on the inside, this is what she looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. Obviously there's a mirror there, and massive congratulations, Tammi. I have watched her for such a long time, her YouTube videos, and I'm so happy for her that she got to bring out her own palette, not just a collab with a brand, but her own. So massive congratulations, Tammi. So let's get on into this. If you would like to see how I created this look using the Chasing Butterflies palette from Makeup by Tammi Cosmetics, then just keep on watching. So I have my base on and I've primed my eyes with the ABH Eye Primer. And the first colour I'm going to be dipping into is Aspire. So I've purposely not watched any videos of people trying this, so I didn't want to be swayed by any other people's opinions. Obviously I did see Tammi's video introducing it, but that's a bit different because when it's their own palette, people are always going to be more positive anyway. Not that I don't believe her or anyone, but this is a nice red. Yeah, I'm liking this red. And then just smudging the edges a little bit, just to make it easier to blend the next colour on. This is blending lovely. I do have the full collection of the Makeup by Tammi Cosmetics water activated liners. I won them in a giveaway on Instagram along with the liner brushes, and I do have to say I was really impressed. I love them. And then next, going into, I can't read that, I haven't got my glasses on. Next, going into Summer, which is the orange above the red. So just using that orange to blend out the red a bit. This orange is blending the red out beautifully. I will go back in and re-intensify the red. Look how well they blend together. Okay, Tammi, I'm impressed. And then I'm going to be going in with Spring, the yellow up there, just to blend out the very edges. I'm just taking that on a much fluffier brush. Okay, let's go back in and deepen everything up. So first back in with Aspire, the red. And then back in with the orange, Summer. And then back in with the yellow. I'm just going to pop on a bit of the NYX Glitter Primer. just to give this shimmer something to stick to. I'm not being too precise, I'm just patting it on in the general area we want to stick the shimmer. Okay, and now we have the NYX Glitter Primer on. I'm going to be going in with Purpose first, this beautiful shimmer down here. Just placing that right up to the outer edge and diagonally across the eye. Okay, so this shimmer's not quite as foiled and metallic as I was hoping for. It's more like your regular shimmer, but it's very pretty. And then with the other side of the same brush, I'm going to be going in with Goals, which is the yellow gold shimmer. And I'm going to be placing that over the inner part that we left open. I say we, I left open. This is more what I was looking for. Not too worried about the edges because I'm going to go in and smoke them a bit with the matte. Look at this. Just dabbing it over the line a bit, just see if I can give them a little bit of a blend. And then back in with Purpose. I'm just going to use that just to pat over the edge of the yellow gold there, Goals. I'm just going to go in with a bit of Aspire, the red there, just to blend that in a bit. That's it. I don't want it to be like a harsh cut creasy line there. Just nice and soft. And then I'm going to go in with a bit of Inspiration, and just to deepen this outer edge here. Is that giving me enough depth? I think I'm going to take a bit of Holy Grail black. Let's see what you're made of. Just dabbing that in the outer V here, outer edge. And then back in with the red, Aspire, and just going over that black. So I've just realised how shiny I'm looking. I used the Laura Mercier Glow powder instead of the normal one. And yeah, I'm glowing. Very glowy. Which, I don't know, it's worked out quite well with the fiery eyes. Right. Now, just take a little smudger brush. I'm just going to take the tiniest bit of Holy Grail and just plonk that just in the outer third of my lower lash line. And then just using the same brush, I'm going to go in with a bit of Aspire, the red. Just mixing that with the black and taking it slightly lower. Bless you, Mr. Fluff. And then going in with Summer, the orange. And I'm just going to use Summer to smoke out the edges a bit more. And then finally into Spring, the yellow. And just taking that on a big fluffy brush just to, oh, hair everywhere. And just to soften the edges. Okay, so there isn't an inner corner highlight shade in here, so I am going to go in with my OFRA Rodeo Drive, and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner there. This is perfect for this look. It's a real kind of volcanic look, I think. I like it. So I'm liking how that's looking so far. I'm going to nip off, pop on liner, lashes, lips, etc. and then I'll be back to show you the finished look, so don't go anywhere. So I'm back with the finished look. What do you think? I'll just let you know what else I've popped on my face and then we will have a chat about first impressions. So the black liquid eyeliner I used was the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, just that one. And bless you, nice. And I went over that where I wanted to stick my lashes with the Artitude Cosmetics Catitude liner and lash adhesive in one. Love this, love it. The mascara I used is the Madeja Lash mascara from Madage Beauty. I'm loving this too, absolutely gorgeous. I can highly recommend this. Both of these I highly recommend. In my waterline I have the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Extra Frosting. The lashes are from Artitude Cosmetics. They are the luxury lashes and the style is Artitude. Look at this cool box. I do love their new boxes. For blush I have Poutnshout Sensitive Sally, which is a beautiful orange. The highlighter I've used is the OFRA Rodeo Drive. I love this. And finally the lipstick I used was the Catrice Plumping Gel lipstick in the shade Feminista, which obviously you can see that on my lips. So yes, the Chasing Butterflies palette. I love all the design of the butterflies on the front. I think it does look beautiful. And let's open her up. Obviously there is the mirror and these shades. Obviously I've only used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've used 6 of them. So I've used half of the shadows that are in here. My experience, I loved them. The shimmers are more your classic shimmers, not your big foiled metallics, but they perform beautifully. The mattes blended into each other beautifully, we can see by the blend on my eyes. So yeah, first impressions, I really like this. I'm definitely looking forward to playing with it some more. And I just think for a first palette for Tammi to bring out, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It is a colourful lover's dream. So that brings us to the end. If you've liked this video, please give it a like, thumbs up, it really helps me out. If you're new around here, then I hope you'll consider sticking around. I do mainly colourful looks and mostly you'll find on my channel indie brands because that's where my heart lies. Do love to support the smaller businesses, especially at the times we're in. So if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, then please do hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next time I upload. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all having a great day, great evening, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I will see you again very soon. Goodbye.